When it comes to cryptocurrencies, the first half of 2022 has been full of surprises. We've seen one of the biggest market crashes in the last few years, with Bitcoin and Ethereum losing a lot of value and Terra going down completely. But if there's one thing we've learned over the past few years, it's that the crypto market always finds a way to get back on its feet. With that in mind, now is the best time to make investments and take advantage of these low prices so that you can hopefully make a huge profit in the next few months. In this video, we will list and explain the 10 best new cryptocurrencies to invest in by June 2022. Before we start our video, subscribe our channel and click on bell button. So let's start. 10. Lucky Block. One of the newest crypto-based lottery platforms, Lucky Block, was built on the Binance Smart Chain. It came out at the start of 2022, and it's already had some important effects. The goal of this crypto is to change the $330 billion gambling business. This may sound like a bit of a stretch, but the developers have come up with a great plan to make it happen. Using the power of Web 3.0 decentralized networks, they have found a way to give players full transparency and the most fairness possible. In the Lucky Block prize draws, the winners are chosen at random and then checked. This means that every player has the same chance of winning one of the amazing prizes. Not only that, but the players can also vote on where the charitable donation should go. Each donation is shown on the public blockchain. Since the draws happen on the blockchain, the whole process is much cheaper, which directly improves the chances of those who buy tickets. Lucky Block also gives each block owner a token distribution, which is equal to 10% of every jackpot. This is a great way for investors to make passive income even if they don't want to take part in the draws. Since the beginning, Lucky Block seems to have done everything right. If you have any doubts about the project, just remember that the first people to invest in it made more than 12,000% in less than a month after it came out. Lucky Block reached a trading volume of $3.4 million on its first day on the market, making it one of the fastest cryptos to ever reach a valuation of $1 billion. 9. DeFi Coin, DEFC. DeFi Coin, DEFC, is the native currency of the new exchange DeFi Swap. It was launched on the Binance Smart Chain. The value of DeFi Coin went up by 462% in just 2 weeks after it was released, even though some of its most important features, like the automatic liquidity pool, haven't even been released yet. With this cryptocurrency and the DeFi Swap platform, traders can trade value directly with other market participants. By doing this, traders don't have to go through any centralized third parties. The 3 most interesting things about DeFi Coin are its automatic liquidity pools, its manual burning strategy system, and its advanced static rewards. Due to the higher transaction tax rates, the platform also tells coin owners to hold on to their DEF tokens for as long as they can 10%. The goal is to cut down on day trading, which is thought to be the main reason for high crypto volatility. Also, everyone who owns a token gets 5% of the tax rate that was mentioned. With the static reward system, token holders can get dividends just by keeping their tokens in their portfolios. The manual burning program is one way that the platform tries to increase the value of tokens over time. Every time someone makes a new investment, a certain number of tokens are burned, and the number of tokens in circulation goes down. 8. Stake Moon. Stake Moon is a decentralized platform that has technologies for self-staking and making liquidity. It was released on the Binance Smart Chain, and its main goal is to reward people who have held onto it for a long time. There are 2 ways to do this. First of all trades on Stake Moon are taxed at a rate of 15%. This makes day trading less popular and keeps short-term traders from joining the project. Out of this fixed tax rate, 10% is split evenly among all the current token holders, and the other 5% goes straight to the Smoon liquidity pool. Second, traders who decide to send their tokens to the Stake Moon protocol will be paid for doing so. This is because the Smoon tokens that are given out are used to verify transactions on the blockchain. This means that the sender fees will be shared fairly among the people who take part in the staking program. Stake Moon came out in November 2021, and so far it has raised more than $2 million. This makes it one of the cryptocurrencies with the fastest growth in the market. 7. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, which came out in 2009, is the father of all other cryptocurrencies. It is the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency in the world. After reaching its all-time high of $68,990 per token in November 2021, the price of Bitcoin has gone down a lot in the last few months. People who don't know much about trading cryptocurrencies might see this as a red flag, but for long-term investors, it's a dream come true. Bitcoin has been put to the test more than once, and each time it has come out on top of the crypto market. At the moment, 1 BTC is worth about $31,000, so now is a great time to buy the dip and hold on to it until the price goes up. Some experts say that by the end of the year, Bitcoin will be worth $70,000. 6. Ethereum. Ethereum doesn't really need a formal introduction because, after Bitcoin, it is the second largest digital currency in the world. The most popular network for decentralized apps, dApps, in the world is Ethereum's blockchain, and for good reason. Ethereum's blockchain is the perfect base for all of these different applications because of how well it works with smart contracts. With smart contracts, there is no need for a middleman, so the transactions are completely decentralized. In the last few months, Ethereum has been criticized for having high gas fees, but it looks like the developers have found a way to fix this by launching Ethereum 2.0. The proof of work protocol will be changed into the proof of stake protocol, which is thought to be much more efficient. This will not only make the blockchain easier to grow, but it will also cut gas fees by a lot. This new version of Ethereum is scheduled to come out in August 2022. Because of this, June is the best time to invest in ETH. 5. Ape Cash. When we look at how ApeCoin has done recently, it is clear that it is one of the hottest cryptocurrencies right now. ApeCoin is the governance currency for ApeDAO, which is run by the same people who made the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT, which is one of the largest NFT projects in the world. One of the main reasons why now is a great time to invest in ApeCoin is that Bake just announced that it will launch a metaverse where ApeCoin will be the main currency. Also, the play-to-earn, P2E, game Animoca Brands, which was made by Ubisoft, is planning to add ApeCoin to its network. 4. Cardano. Cardano has more smart contracts based on its blockchain because it updated its network in late 2021. This makes it a good competitor to Ethereum. Cardano has released some interesting features, like the ability to make tokens, in addition to smart contracts, and it has been one of the best performers in the last year. Around a 720% increase in value. Cardano could be one of the most profitable coins in 2022 if everything goes as planned with the smart contract developments. 3. Solana. Solana is an open-source cryptocurrency project that uses blockchain technology to come up with solutions for decentralized finance, DeFi. The project has crazy scalability, which means that both users and developers can make transactions that cost less than 1 cent. Solana is not only fast and cheap, but it also can't be shut down. This means that new apps and transactions will always be able to use the network. Since it first came out, Solana has been reaching new all-time highs, which has caught the attention of every investor in the area. Experts say that in the next few months, there will be an increase of about 400%. 2. Polygon. Polygon is an important part of the Web3 infrastructure because it is a Layer 2 platform that plays a big part in lowering Ethereum transaction costs. It was first made to help develop Ethereum's infrastructure and speed up the scaling process. Many traders thought that Polygon would lose value because Ethereum 2.0 is coming out soon, but that's not the case. The developers have said that they will release ZK rollups that can be added to ETH 2.0 and give it more potential for scaling. 1. Ripple, XRP. Ripple, XRP, is a global payment platform that works closely with some of the biggest financial institutions in the world and helps them reduce the amount of time they have to spend with banks. Ripple was the third biggest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization for a long time, right after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Even though it has had some bad times since then, many people think that XRP will still be a big deal in 2022. One thing that will help decide this is how the SEC trial turns out. Many traders think that Ripple will win the lawsuit, which will have a big effect on its price in the next few months. Conclusion. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, so it can be hard to figure out which ones are the best to invest in and make money on. We did the research for you and made a list of the cryptos that will make you the most money in June 2022. After spending hours going over each one, Lucky Block, DeFi Coin, and Stake Moon stood out as the 3 best investments. If you still have any question, leave a comment below and we try to answer you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell button for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.